Rapid prototyping is a big part of what we do for Whirlpool. We bring designers' ideas to life. If we're looking for a marketing piece, we want a good finish on that, we'll use SL process.
For our SL printers, we have the Neo 450S. If we didn't have SL technology, you would have to end up paying for the tooling and get it, injection pressed, which takes a lot more time, a lot more money. The Neo 450, we are using Somos Evolve. We use Evolve because the parts are a little bit more impact resistant, they're a little bit more durable. We do a lot of thin wall parts, or we do clips on these parts, so we need to be able to assemble everything together and the parts not break during assembly. Good surface detail off the bat. All we have to do is take them right out of the Neo, throw them into a cleaner, pull them back out, pull supports off, give them a final alcohol wipe down.
We have other shops globally that are looking at SL process, and we're going to highly recommend the 450S machine to them.